In the heart of Alexandria, Indiana, managing waste just got easier with Salty Dog Trash, your go-to solution for efficient dumpster rentals. Whether tackling a home renovation, organizing a community event, or overseeing a construction project, Salty Dog Trash provides a range of dumpster rental services tailored to your specific needs. Our commitment to affordability and reliability makes us the preferred choice for seamless waste management in Alexandria. At Salty Dog Trash, we take pride in offering a service and a reliable partnership for your waste management requirements. Salty Dog Trash stands out with a dedicated focus on dumpster rental in Alexandria, Indiana. Our streamlined process allows you to choose from various dumpster sizes, ensuring that your specific project requirements are met efficiently. Salty Dog Trash is your trusted ally in maintaining a clean and organized environment, from small residential cleanups to large-scale construction projects. For prompt and reliable dumpster rentals, call us at 317-660-5099 or explore our services at www.saltydogtrash.com. Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of professional waste management with Salty Dog Trash, where your convenience is our priority.